your CCTV cameras could do more than just record? With ZipVision, they can. ZipVision turns everyday camera feeds into intelligent, real-time insights that help you run your business smarter, without changing your existing hardware. Powered by advanced computer vision, neural networks, and generative AI, ZipVision helps you enhance customer experience, enforce safety, and improve operational efficiency. Whether deployed in the cloud or on your own premises, setup is quick and seamless. Just connect your existing cameras and you're ready to unlock powerful video intelligence. Let's see how it works in a retail store. A store manager wants to track customer traffic at billing counters, count entries and exits, and receive alerts for VIP arrivals or long queues. ZipVision makes it easy. Once camera feeds are connected, each is labeled for easy reference. Using the analytics settings, zones of interest, like counters and entry gates, are marked on screen using simple polygon tools. From that point, ZipVision goes to work. It continuously tracks footfall, queue length, and movement patterns, displaying live analytics on a smart dashboard. Custom alerts notify staff of key events, from fire hazards to suspicious behavior, improving responsiveness and control. One standout feature: facial recognition. Use it to welcome high-value customers, ideal for luxury retail, jewelry stores, or high-end hospitality, creating personalized service experiences. ZipVision doesn't just watch, it understands. Transform your existing camera infrastructure into a real-time business advantage. Smarter vision starts here, with ZipVision. Reach out to us to experience the power of ZipVision for your business today.